All right, so I'm just now remembering to start filming, but we are at the JS Detail Freedom Tint headquarters. This is where we will be holding our 4th of July party this year. We've got a ton of stuff. We are gonna start getting set up. We're gonna get the firework table set up right now. We're gonna go screw all the tubes to it and everything like that. So I'm probably just gonna throw you guys into that. And then we're gonna start getting into food. The things I forgot to film, we went and looked at probably the biggest piece of crap, ZX6R on the market. The guy was asking so much money. We hit him real low, he didn't like it. But we're gonna go get this table put together and start getting this night on the way. Rez, hi puppy. We got a ton of stuff. This is gonna be a fun night. All right, so this is what we're starting with. We've got a ton of tubes. Kay and I are gonna get working. Table set up. Oh my God. That's gotta weigh a lot. There's still 5 unopened boxes. So that's 120. Shake. Oh. Off-roading to the fireworks store. Can never have too many fireworks. Let's see what we can find in this place. $9 grand. One of everything. Oh my gosh. We made a very quick change of destination. Just gotta find the zingers, the one that like spin and then like go up. That's what we're looking for. 40 pop. All right, I got very out of hand, very fast. But what a quality stop.
You get charged a lot less than you thought you were gonna get charged.
77 bones.
Yeah.
That's all I got charged. It's pretty good. All right, now we've got the crew here. Just showed back up from the fireworks stand. We are getting this party started. We're gonna start filling up the table here soon. We're gonna get this all rigged up for a couple rounds. Those ones are just test ones, but we're gonna get these all filled up, get it ready and set here soon. But we're still waiting on food, and I think there's still some more people showing up. But look at this place. This is a shop now. Holy cow. JS Detail up here in Gretna. This is sick. Everything has been going so fast tonight, but round like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5 are ready. Move this thing out here. That is going to be great placement. We'll all be sitting over here right outside of JS Detail and Freedom Tint. The place to be for this 4th of July. It's gonna be fantastic. Look at that trajectory. That's gonna be great. It'll be so good. Oh, we're excited. Fireworks should be coming soon. We're getting eaten and everything like that, getting everything set up. Like I said, first few rounds are ready to go, and we should be getting popped off here very soon. Gotta get that sun to go down a little bit more, get it dark out here, make it look good. So it's gonna be fantastic. Looks like a crap show from down here, but
Great. Very cute.
up in the sky looks great. Kate and Emily's starting the razor. Definitely still have to learn how to fly a drone. I'm not very good at it. I'd go as far as say as I'm pretty bad at it. Logan Burrow, Freedom Tint, by the way. Pull the shifter all the way back. Now you're in high.
H for a hot.
High for a good time. Side by side to make everything more fun.
We got the sand tires on here right now.
Just the front ones. Little off-road time. Oh! Oh! Showing back up to the party in style.
Get her up on 2 wheels.
Yeah. Didn't almost flip her.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what.
Turn it
Got
up
money
slow.
on my mind, I can never get enough. And every won't stop now. Keep your hands up, get them in the sky for the homies that ain't make it and my folks locked down. I never went nowhere. What they saying, loot is back. Blame it on that contour. The hood call it Ludiac. And I'm on this foolish track, so I spit my foolish flow. My hands go up and down like strippers' booties go. My verses still be serving, tight like a million virgins. Last time on a college remix, now I'm on the original version. Can't never count me out, y'all better count me in. Got 20 bank accounts, accountants count me in. Make millions every year, the South's champion. Cause all I do, all I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get it up. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Swerving in my low, head on a swivel, you know serving me's a no-no. Clean as a whistle as I pull out in my Rolls Royce. Yellow bone passenger, they see it, they say, oh boy. Tell Cali, back it up, my call me loco. Down for armed trafficking, don't make me pull up. Ask you what you laughing at, represent that mud life. Dirty money, better get your mud right. We come together holding hands and holler hood life. We all strapping all black, it's like life.
All we do is win.
You riding to what? Cause we riding tonight. Now you riding with me cause you wasn't riding.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get it up. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there.
It was ridiculous. Well,